Hi, I'm Rich and you're watching SUU Aviation. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I chose to be a helicopter pilot. Let's get started. I've had the opportunity to fly a lot of different helicopters. I've flown the Robinson R-44s, the Robinson R-22s, A-Stars, 407s. I've even gotten a little bit of time in a Bell 412, which was pretty awesome. And I've dabbled in the fixed wing side a little bit as well. By far, my favorite helicopter to fly is the Bell 407. It's an awesome helicopter. It goes really fast, it's super smooth, it's just a lot of fun to fly. We have one here at Southern Utah University that we use for high altitude mountain training as well as sheriff operations. We're partnered with the Iron County Sheriff's Department and we're able to help out on a lot of their search and rescue missions. So like a lot of kids, I wanted to fly since I was really young. As I was growing up, I never thought it was really possible. As I got older, I was able to interact with Life Flight and Air Med a little bit up in Salt Lake because I was doing ski patrol, and I thought it looked really awesome. So I went and did an intro flight, and I fell in love with it. And since then, I've been hooked. I've had the opportunity to do a lot of really awesome stuff in my aviation career already. I started out as a flight instructor, and then moved on, did a little bit of fire work for a season, a little bit of corporate work, then moved on to do EMS for about 3.5 years, and now I'm back at the flight school full-time where I'm able to help mold the future aviators of the industry. If I weren't a helicopter pilot right now, I honestly don't know where I'd be in life. Prior to becoming a helicopter pilot, I did commercial lending for a bank for a while, and that just wasn't making me happy going to work every day. I enjoyed the people I worked with, but I just really wasn't enjoying the day-to-day grind. So if I didn't have the opportunity to be in the air every single day like I am right now, I really don't know where I would be in life. Southern Utah University offers some very unique training opportunities. One of the things that I didn't get going through school was turbine training. Here at Southern Utah University, all of our students get 10 hours of mountain training in a 206 or a 505 and 10 hours of longline training in a 206 or 505. So just like this helicopter behind me, all of our students get to fly one of the bigger aircraft. And this is a huge leg up for them when they go for their next job. So here at Southern Utah University, we try to interact with the community as much as we can. One of the opportunities that we had about a year ago, there's a local hike down in Canaryville Falls that needed a new ladder put in, and it was too large for them to carry up the canyon, so we were asked to bring it in via longline, and I was able to do that in this Bell 206. We actually airlifted it in early in the morning, and it was a pretty neat experience. I've done a fair amount of longline in the past, but this was one of the more technical spots I've had to put something in, but it was pretty exciting to do, and a good opportunity to help the community as well. All right, that's it for this video. If you liked it, there's lots of buttons you can push on this YouTube channel, so please hit every single one of them. Like, subscribe, smash buttons, do everything you can. Make sure that you're gonna see all of our future videos. And as always, never quit, never give up, fly it to the end.